Woohoo! We're making dessert today. So my philosophy on desserts is that we all like to eat sugar. Well, let's not say we all like to eat sugar. There are some people who prefer fried foods to sugar. So I like to eat sweet things and desserts, but I want to minimize things that I get from the store because I don't really know what's in it, and the amount of sugar is too high. I don't really need that much sugar. Plus, they're so expensive. I'm going to make chocolate balls at home starting with chickpeas. So these are chickpeas that I soaked at home and then let them just sprout a little bit. So there's that sprouts that you see. It helps with the availability of protein and also takes care of any anti-nutrient factors like the absorption of iron or zinc. Plus, it gives the fermented food factor in even the desserts. So that is about going to be more than a cup. It says, the recipe says 1 can, but I think this is it. They're raw, they haven't been cooked. Then I will take 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is my maple syrup. Now, if you don't have maple syrup, you can definitely use honey or even rock sugar, or if you just want to use it with your own sugar, then go for it. Then there's 4 tablespoons of nut butter, so I'm going to use peanut butter. You can use almond butter if you want, or any other sesame seed butter, sunflower seed butter. So about 4 tablespoons of that, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which I have the vanilla extract. Now if you don't have that, then I would just Google what's a good alternative for vanilla. Then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I have organic coconut oil. So this dish is not oil free, but you can see there's like really hardly any oil compared to what you would get in the market. And if you're having cravings for a dessert, then this is the most healthy dessert you will ever have. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. That's my nice cinnamon powder. And then I take a little bit of my rock salt in it. Then I will just blend all of this up, and then I will show you what I do after that. Alright, so as you see, now this is a nice paste that has come, and it's because I have a Vitamix. It's a really good blender, but still some of the chickpeas are not fully blended. It really doesn't matter because they weren't cooked. Now if you put in cooked chickpeas, they would blend a lot more, but on the hindsight I feel that I could have just used chickpea flour and not have to do all this grinding, because it's a bit of a pain trying to grind all this. But once you've got a nice paste, I just take a little bit of this and start making these nice balls that I've made. I take a little bit more. Make them as big or as small as you want. It really doesn't matter. So just go in my hand. So there is a lot of oil, but these are all healthier versions as opposed to refined oil. So there's oil coming from peanut butter. So I've got nice balls here. I'll make balls out of all of this, and then I will melt some chocolate chips and dip these into the chocolate, and there will be nice chocolate balls. Okay, so I am trying to now make some chocolate, and I took these chocolate chips, but you could substitute with just regular chocolate. Then I went and I boil some water, put another pan in it. I don't have a double boiler. Some of you might have. Oh man, it's hot. Then I put just 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in it and letting it melt. And then I'm going to add these chocolate chips. I'll take about a cup and a half of these chocolate chips while my balls, the peanut butter, whatever, chickpea balls, they are getting cooled down in the fridge. And I'm trying 2 different methods of making chocolate. One is this over the double boiler, because we don't want to put chocolate directly on heat. The other one that I thought I would experiment with is my well, let's see what's happening here with my chocolate. It is melting, so it's all going really well. Now these chocolate chips are dark chocolate chips, and if you read the ingredient list, then it just says 51% cocoa powder, and it's fair trade, and vanilla and sugar and some soy lecithin in it. But that's about it. But this looks really nice and creamy. It has come out well, and let it completely melt. And that's where I'm gonna dip those amazing balls at. My peanut butter balls are ready. I've already tested one in the chocolate dip, and now I will show you what I am going to do. This is all an experiment. Just taking this ball, dipping it in, using all my skills to not break them. Well, they are pretty firm, so it's not like they will break. And ta-da! There. Woo! There you go. Chips. Nice. So I just keep going with that. Dip another one in. And holy moly, I love chocolate. So for those of you who don't love chocolate, I don't know what you would do, but this is one dessert that I think I did get my son to come and taste just the balls, and he really liked them. Though he did tell me, please don't let me know what the ingredients are in there, because then I'm gonna get all biased. Because he's a teenager, and of course, why would he want to listen to what I want to give him for healthy eating? So because I tell him that, hey, listen, you need to go plant-based, you need to not have preservatives, you need to not have junk, but that's exactly what he will want to eat and test out. He even wants to tell me that sleeping late is not of any problem. So for now, he is happy with these balls that I made. He liked the taste because he likes peanut butter. Look at my chocolate balls. Now the real test will be when I give them to my son to eat, and he will probably not want to know what's inside them, but you and I know that it's all healthy. I haven't even added any sugar to it. Well, of course, the outer covering of the chocolate has some sugar, but then we're controlling it, and the oil is coconut oil, which is far better than any kinds of other saturated fats that are processed. And definitely we want to have it in small amounts. It's a treat. It's just when you're having those cravings and you want to not get into packaged foods.